Hello everyone, I'm Eric from Educute, and today I'm going to talk about how to use group chat in Zoom. To help me today, I've got Christina here. Hi Christina.
Long time
Uh,
no see.
she's got a long time no see. She's got a YouTube channel called Plan for Fun ESL where she talks about online teaching. Okay, so using group chat is very important, especially if you have lots of students that you want to talk to. You can send them messages if they didn't understand an explanation or you want to give them instructions. You can also put it in written form. Or if you want to send a specific message to one student, you can actually send it. So let me show you. You go to chat and you can say, hi everyone, so you can send it to them and they can send a message back. So the students can send one to you too. Or if someone's not paying attention, you can send a private message, pay attention. Chatting is very useful, but you can use it for other things too. For example, if you put students into break rooms, you can screen share with them. So you need to share the file or the information with them before. So you can actually send the whole class, you can send them the file. It could be from Dropbox or it could be from your computer. So you can send them a PPT or you can send them some of the questions. For example, if I let the students do pair conversations, I might send them questions that they have to ask each other. So I'll just share it from here. Also, you can use it for fun games. For example, the students are doing a pair conversation and they come back and I say, okay, I need an order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, everyone, quickly type in your number. Do you want to be first, second, third, fourth, or fifth? Quickly write it in the chat.
Hmm.
And
Oh,
Christina wants to be number 3, but make sure they do it for everyone so that all the students can see which number they are. It's a great way for students to also to interact using chat as well.
I think when you send me a message privately, then I automatically answer on private chat.
Oh, that's a great tip. Okay, so remember, this is something, if you were in private chat before, then it'll automatically go for a reply in private chat. So make sure to click on everyone. Another great thing you can share is you can screen capture. Now, on a Windows device, you will press Alt, Shift, and T, and you can see the screen comes up, and I'll just capture my stupid face, and you can draw on it or you can do all these things, or you can save it here, Eric face. Okay, so yeah, we can use all these fantastic tools for us to communicate better with our students and to share information with them.
I couldn't see it though. Can I see Eric's stupid face?
Well, I'll have to send it through chat with you. I might send it to you later. Okay,
Okay.
Christina, any more things that you would like to say about chat? How do you use chat in your classroom?
Well, a lot of the times I like to send questions for discussion or statements, agreeing and disagreeing. And I would just sit back passively and listen to the students and then type some errors on a PowerPoint. And after that, I would just share the PowerPoint and ask the students to self-error correct, which I think is a great thing. You can also do the error correction in the chat and ask the students to type the correct sentence instead of saying it.
Yeah, I guess
And I also use it for dictation sometimes.
Right, for diction. Yeah, no, I think typing and using all different formats that we can use is fantastic. And I would really suggest for all teachers to start using chat more in their classroom, not just to give information, but to get the students to interact with them. Okay, thank you so much, Christina. We'll do some more videos in the future. Please go and check out her channel. I'll put it in the link below. Okay, everyone, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.